Hey guys, it's Takisa and I'm back with another video. As you can tell, my voice is not all the way back to normal, and I am still a little bit under the weather. I'm feeling a lot better, and I posted on my Instagram yesterday that I wasn't feeling like myself and I needed rest. So it could just be me still being tired and then trying to get over this. So I'm not going to be talking in the video, but I do want to share with you guys beforehand that I did get the job at MAC as a on-call freelance artist, and I have been working. I'm super excited to be starting this new journey with MAC, and I've heard such great things and, not so great things about it, but I am choosing to make this a positive journey for me, and I really want to grow on YouTube as well as in MAC, so that I can become an influencer and start to show you guys different things that I've learned and how far I have gone. So today I'm just going to be getting ready to go to work for MAC, and you guys are going to watch me. I am watching my favorite show right now, Fear the Walking Dead. So if you see my eyes go that way, it's because my laptop is sitting that way and my mirror is in front of me right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. And I forgot to mention that I will be using MAC products in this video for the most part, like foundation, concealer, brow products. I got some samples for my first day of work, and that's a plus, like we can get samples. So I'm gonna try it out before I decide to purchase any MAC products. You guys have never seen me wear anything MAC, put anything MAC on in any of my videos, and now that I work at MAC, they kind of want you to wear some of their stuff so that when customers ask, you can say, oh, this is a MAC product, blah blah blah, So I'm gonna be trying out some new stuff like primers, concealers, foundation, eye bases, like the paint pots and stuff. So you guys will get to see that too. I'll have everything listed down below, the name and the shade that I'm using, so that you guys can go and pick those things up for yourself if you like how I use it. And yeah, so let's really get into the video this time.
cooking.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I have never did this blue on my lids and I love it. As you can see, my voice is still not, you know, getting better, but I really do like this foundation. It looks really good. I did have to mix it a little bit. It was too light, and I know the next shade down, the next shade up is a little bit too dark, so I would have to try to find my correct shade. And yeah, but oh, I didn't get to show you guys the cut when the hair is like really curly. This is my cut. I love it, and it looks like I have a mohawk, but that's cute to me. As for everything that I used for my face from MAC, I did love it. And we'll just see how it, you know, goes for the rest of the, you know, day. I work until 9:30 tonight, so we'll just see how it holds up. My next video will probably be out tomorrow. I'm gonna try to have this up by probably 10 tonight. I'm gonna start editing right now so that I can get it out as soon as possible, so you guys can watch this while I'm at work. But if you enjoyed this look and you want to see more looks with, you know, MAC products, then comment that down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my page with your friends, with your aunties, with your uncles. Let them know. We're trying to get to 500 by the summer, and I'm gonna be uploading as many videos as possible. Even if I'm sick, I want to start vlogging. I have a couple of things lined up, so I will be vlogging soon. You guys will see the shift in my channel, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.